This started out as a replacement building for a fibro shack down in Rosebud, and it's grown into something that can be for the family. I've even put pressure on him for me to be able to use it. No, but I have actually. The main part of the house that we've put the focus on, the high ceilings and all of the glass, is for the clients in their main living area and their own retreated bedroom area. And then we've got almost like a separate unit upstairs that the kids can entertain themselves and isolate themselves from there. And it's fully fitted out to suit that. With the size of the openings, the amount of glass, maximising the glazing, we've got as big a doors as we can possibly have. Some doors at 1.8 wide, so we've got a fair amount of glass there, and obviously double glazing, that gets really heavy. So these rollers and the high-end hardware that's on these products, they just glide beautifully. The front of the house that looks towards the main road is actually due north, so we've got glass there. Naturally, that's where we want to try and absorb as much of that sunlight as possible. So it's a bit of a challenge there to try and get the balance right with glass and an outlook as well. The living area is 12 metres from the front boundary, so we've designed it to have a stone wall as the visual barrier between where you're sitting in your lounge and the actual road, but when you're up and about, you've got that interaction with outside. Basically got the Magnum series throughout. We've got the 618 sliding doors that we've used in different setups in different ways. And then we've got a mix throughout, whatever we felt was right for that particular location to try and catch the breeze, get the outlook. That's what we're trying to achieve in this site. Working with Chris at Windows by Design, we were able to resolve a few details that we weren't quite too sure on the capabilities of the system. We wanted to open up as much of this part of the house out onto the deck and then flow out to the outside from the living area. So around the fireplace, we created a double pocket slider that goes behind the fireplace. Yeah, we relied on Chris coming up with the detail with us on how to resolve this sliding door unit, and that was using the triple track and getting the doors to conceal behind this fireplace. It's not something that's listed in the catalogue as a typical way of doing it, and it's not the way we'd normally approach something, but in this particular situation we wanted to get that flow and openness out onto an entertaining area outside. It's a simple and streamlined solution. It's got the robustness. For example, we've got the 548 hinge door, and we've put our own custom front door into that using recycled timbers. And it's a sturdy section that can handle the weight of the door. So the aluminium series as a whole can cover all of these items and integrate it with the rest of the building fabric as well. With the type of house that it is and the final product that we're after with this house, we were only going to include some high-end products. So that's why we used Windows by Design, having used them before and having the AWS system involved. That was a no-brainer for us in our specifying.